bouncing or uneven floors, standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
This is our daily morning briefing. This is for Wednesday. This is, let's see, what day is this? This is the 29th of June. I'm James Spann. See, when you do these live, you press the wrong button sometimes. Again, this is the new version of the Weather Extreme video that we're doing now twice a day. We're doing the live morning update about 5:15, the update in the afternoon about 3 o'clock, and we're here to talk Alabama weather. And we've got some pretty classic summertime weather to talk about. Later today, you'll see the sky looking like this. This was captured yesterday, and those are big towering cumulus clouds, the majestic clouds of summer days, and some of those will pop into storms. Some of you will see rain today. Some of you will not. Your classic case of the afternoon thunderstorm lottery. This is the upper air look across the country today, and again, we've got the core of the heat ridge a little west of here. And that should keep most of you, maybe not all of you, but most of you under 90 today. We'll check the radar this morning. That was the radar composite about 5 o'clock. And we had a few isolated showers around the Gulf Coast, but really not many. But after about 2 o'clock today, we'll see showers and storms. Not raining everywhere, but many of you will see at least a decent downpour in spots this afternoon and this evening. Most of the showers and storms coming between 2 and 10 p.m., Temperatures are mostly in the low 70s to start the day across the region. Again, we're expecting highs in most locations between 86 and 89 today. There's the watch warning map across the country early this morning. Pretty quiet, not much happening at the moment. Here's the severe weather outlook later today and tonight. Got a risk of severe storms way up north. This is their tornado season up in the northern states. This is tomorrow. Again, a marginal risk from near Omaha to the upper peninsula of Michigan. And this is day 3, which is Friday. No organized severe weather expected across the country. We are in the green, which means we'll see scattered storms about, but organized severe weather not expected. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. And again, we'll have these showers and storms around every day through next week, which is what we expect in summertime. The average amounts between 1/2 and 2 inches, but your number will vary. Rain distribution very uneven this time of the year. For example, some locations had over 2 inches of rain. Some locations had absolutely nothing. You know the deal. So in the tropics, the National Hurricane Center watching 3 areas. We have that little wave in the western Gulf. We have a pretty well-organized disturbance in the Caribbean and a third wave that is quite weak in the central Atlantic. And of course, anytime we have something in the Gulf, that catches everybody's attention. And again, this is not a depression. This is simply an open, weak tropical wave. And you can see the Hurricane Center giving this a 40% chance of developing by tonight. That's when the wave comes into the Texas coast. And again, whether it's a depression or a wave, the main impact is the same, just rain for the Texas coastal plain, places like Corpus Christi and South Padre Island. This is the 5-day outlook coming from the Hurricane Center. And again, you can see we've got PTC2, the red X, that is near the coast of South America, and that trailing wave, which is a weak wave in the central Atlantic, that has a low chance of developing. Here's a look at PTC number 2, potential tropical cyclone. Very low latitude, and it's really moving quickly, and that fast forward motion is limiting any development here. Here's the latest forecast track from the National Hurricane Center with PTC number 2. Now they're expecting this to stay under hurricane strength by the time it reaches the coast of Central America, most likely the coast of Nicaragua, Friday afternoon. Mainly a big rain producer for Central America. Then it comes out across the eastern Pacific. That is far, far south of the United States. There are no tropical storms expected this weekend, the 4th of July weekend, for places like Panama City Beach, Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, Destin. Down there, if you're beach bound, your classic summer mix of sun and scattered storms. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 4. And we got ridging here, but certainly not as strong as last week. And again, classic summer weather. Partially sunny, scattered storms, mostly between about 2 and 10 p.m. And if you like the numbers game, the odds of any one spot getting wet today, about 40 to 45%. And again, everybody wants to know about their hometown. We see it in the comments. What about? We don't know where the storms form exactly. That weak surface boundary that had been near Interstate 59 will dissipate, so any part of the state could see a shower or storm today. And again, most of those coming after 2 o'clock. And that's going to be the theme for a while. I promise these maps are different. They pretty much look the same. This is tomorrow and this is Friday. A mixture of clouds and sunshine with scattered mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. Highs upper 80s. Holiday weekend is just not going to change very much. This is Saturday. This is Sunday. And this is Monday, the 4th of July. Evidence the ridge might be a little stronger by then with fewer showers, but understand they'll be about. And quite frankly, these synoptic scale maps in the summer are not overly helpful. Just be aware that if you got something planned outdoors this weekend, a cookout or fireworks show, whatever, just watch radar trends. We don't know now where the storms will pop up this weekend, but they'll be out there. This is Tuesday of next week, pretty much the same deal, and a week from today. This is Wednesday of next week, and again, you can see ridging in place, heights coming up a little bit, and that might push us up in the low 90s next week, which is average. That's what we expect this time of the year. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday, the 8th of July. Again, the core of the heat ridge stays a little west of here, and again, partly sunny, pop-up storms about in the afternoon and evening hours. This is the rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean is the green line. The members are all over the board, which is what happens in summer, but the mean is about 3 inches over the next 15 days. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models. And you can see highs in the upper 80s through the weekend, then back in the low 90s next week, which again is average. And the latest 8 to 14 day outlook here. This is for July 6th through July 12th. The core of the heat should be west of here, but again, we'll probably see temperatures in the low 90s or something like that. Bottom line is the weather looks fairly routine here for summertime for a while. So that's it for the morning edition of the Daily Briefing video. The next one coming up by about 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, watch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.